Hi everyone, this is Amy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making garlic shrimp with grilled pineapple. So to start this dish, we need pineapple. I got the one that was prepped already, it was on sale, and we just need 4 thin slices. You could use the canned ones, but they do tend to be a little sweeter, so I prefer fresh. Now over on the stove, we have a grill pan heating up over medium heat. We'll place down our pineapple slices. We're going to grill this on both sides just until we get a nice little char. It's going to add smokiness and some pretty grill marks. Once they're cool enough to touch, we're going to go ahead and chop this into small pieces, put this in a bowl, and set this aside. Now for the shrimp, we have 12 ounces of whole, clean, deveined shrimp. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, half a tablespoon if you don't want it as spicy, a tablespoon of paprika. I'm using hot paprika because I like things spicy. Just use smoked if that's what you have, and 2 tablespoons of mochi flour. So you can get the mochiko at your Asian grocery store and on Amazon. We're going to give this a really good mix to coat this in our little breading situation here, and we're going to set that aside and let that rest while we work on the last of our ingredients. It's a really simple, really easy, fast dish. We're going to need a whole head of garlic. This is not a first date meal because there's a lot of garlic in this. I'm going to save you the pain of watching me peel all this, but we want to give this a really rough little choppy chop. We want pretty big pieces because we don't want this to burn when we go to make it beautiful and golden, so about this size. Now heading back over to the stove in a wok, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of salted butter over low heat. We're going to let that melt a little bit before adding all of our garlic. And you definitely want to watch this. We just want to fry it till it's golden. We're going to remove it, and in that same pan, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and all of our shrimp. Be a little bit more gentle than I was. I just threw that in, and you don't want this to splash. We're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes per side till it's almost cooked through before adding back in all of our garlic and all of our butter. Give that a little stir fry until the shrimp is finished cooking before adding back in the pineapple. And we're just going to cook this until that pineapple is heated through. You can shut off the heat at this point. And this is pretty much done. Now in a bowl, we are going to serve this with rice because it's going to soak up all that gorgeous garlic butter, making a little indentation and placing in all of our shrimp. We're going to garnish with a little cilantro to add a little color and a little herbaceousness. And this is looking gorgeous. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. I want a little bite of everything. The garlic is sweet and delicious. Garlic gets so much sweeter as you cook it. The sweetness of the pineapple counteracts the heat from the paprika and the cayenne. It's a perfect little blend. The shrimp is perfectly cooked through, and this is so tasty, so fast to put together, and absolutely delicious. But there it is, grilled pineapple with garlic shrimp. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me again today. I appreciate every single one of you. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, as I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.